Hey friends, in this video we will prove that the product of four consecutive natural number is one less than a perfect square. So in general we can write the four consecutive natural number in this way, like n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3. Now what we want to prove, हम लोग क्या prove करना है कि this four consecutive natural number should give us one less than a perfect square. So in other words, we can also say that this consecutive product of this consecutive natural number plus 1 will give us a perfect square, है कि नहीं? हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं कि product of this four consecutive natural number plus 1 will give us a perfect square, right? So we are going to prove that. Now how to prove? We can simply, what we'll have to do is we have to multiply n plus 1 and n plus 2 and n plus 3 separately, like we have multiplied over here. यहाँ पर हम लोग इसे मल्टीप्लाई किए थे n plus 1 n plus 2 करने से क्या होगा, n square plus twice n plus n plus 2, n into n plus 3 करने से हो जाएगा n square plus 3n, और वहाँ plus 1 तो रहेगा ही. Now moving on, we will just add this 2. हम लोग यहाँ पर 2n और n को ऐड करके यहाँ 3n हो जाएगा, तो सिंपली n square plus 3n plus 2 और यहाँ पर हो जाएगा n square plus 3n, सिंपली यहाँ से ले लेंगे हम लोग. Now plus 1 will continue. Now here comes the twist. Now n square plus 3n plus 2 can be written as plus 1 plus 1. 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. ठीक है, यहाँ पर 2 को हम लोग क्या किए 1 plus 1 जैसे लिखते हैं, और यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं है, दैट इज यहाँ पर plus 0 है, n square plus 3n plus 0, so we can write it as plus 1 minus 1. Yes, we can write, and here plus 1 will continue. Now moving on, we will take a as n square plus 3n plus 1, like this one, this part, or you can say this part we have taken as a. Let's say a is this one. Now अब क्या करेंगे हम लोग, simply substitute this a to this one, that it will become a plus 1 and a minus 1. यहाँ पर a plus 1 और a minus 1 बन जाएगा, and plus 1 will continue. Now we know that a square minus b square is equals to a minus b into a plus b. So यहाँ पर a plus b और a minus b का फॉर्मूला से हम लोग क्या सकते हैं, a square minus b square, that is a square minus 1 square, और यहाँ plus 1 will continue. Now 1 square will be 1, a square minus 1 plus 1, this 2 will cancel out and we'll get a square. Now a is what? A is n square plus 3n plus 1. So we have got a perfect square. So यहाँ पर हम लोग prove कर चुके हैं. So this we can say it is proved that what? The product of four consecutive natural number is one less than a perfect square. We have proved just the other way, that is we have just taken plus 1 with this four consecutive natural number and prove that it is a perfect square, right? So अगर आपको कोई doubt है, if you have any doubt in this particular video, you can comment down below, and thanks for watching.